born again. Yeah, 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 yeah. If I say I love you, then I mean it therefore.
Taking you to family.
I remember when I was down so sad till December. Never went outside. I was wondering, will I ever be man of my dreams? And Jesus set me free, so I'm happy today. I'm glad now I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 yeah. Cause he said to me, if I say I love you, then I mean it therefore. My name is Jesus, and I died on the cross for you. If I say I love you, then I mean it therefore. My name is Jesus, and I died on the cross for you. If I say I love you, then I mean it therefore. My name is Jesus, I died on the cross. Verily, verily, I say unto you, I who believes in me has nothing to fear. Verily, verily, I say unto you, I am the light of the world, the bread of life. He who drinks this water shall never thirst no more. Water that I give is a living fountain. Hey, Samaritan woman experienced firsthand. Yeah, as I told her the story of her life. Yeah, then she ran and ran and ran into the town to tell people of the truth I told to her. So I wonder what's keeping